crushing. I'm looking around, it's a mess. There are some problems I'm over my head that I would like to go address. Cause honestly, I don't get it, dog, it's pathetic. I'm like, damn, everybody wanna waste the time. Everybody been at some bullshit, I don't get it. Like, follow me on the gram. Man, my stuff is so important, it's bitches. I'm like, oh yeah, I ain't see the fucking purpose of things you posting, my man. Cause you got these silly captions I could never understand. Want attention, what attraction, man, it's always just the same. And this life, and this media, this stuff is just a game. I don't want to go participate, but maybe I should do. Cause otherwise I would be ahead, and that's the truth, sure. Just get some straight. Life is such a game. Sometimes you gotta enter, sometimes you gotta play. But there is limits to it, there's limit to these ways. That people go insane, that people go so crazy. They go so crazy, I never could understand all the things that they be thinking and do it. I'm like, oh damn, y'all be thinking that the things just fall. I'm like, oh yeah, man, the fool comes out the sky. And what about your bed, that you sleeping deep at night? You ain't sleeping on the floor, you ain't sleeping in the forest, but you be talking more like this ain't good, this ain't great, man, all this stuff is average. But listen, my dog, man, you ain't